Morning everyone. First of all, let's cherish democracy and let's cherish the election process in JNU. I think we should have a representation at all levels in our center because we MSc people are also involved in almost every activities. We organize some exclusive events like the freshers and farewell. So our representation kind of become necessary. So I'm here on their behalf. So now I come to my agenda or manifestos. So first of all, it's based on my personal experiences over the year. I'm in MSc second year, so 1 year is already passed. So my first will be will hold monthly GBMs in our school because it's very necessary. Whatever events have taken place over the month, we'll analyze them and we'll discuss the events which will be taking place, because here the problem is event is taking place now and then GBM is holding somewhere 3 months back, like later, so kind of hodgepodge is there, so we'll avoid it. Okay, then my second is we want to introduce a course of natural resource management in the MSc or maybe even if possible MPhil. Our teachers are interested. I have already talked to you must be thinking ki how it will be possible, but our teachers are themselves very interested in taking this initiative. So because we know everyone should know ki what proper resource management is, so that we can ensure proper environment and livelihood security to everyone. So everyone knows the famous quote of M.K. Gandhi that nature is enough for everyone's need but not enough for everyone's greed. So we want ki we should do something in this direction. Now we want to propose a student-faculty interaction. There must be open talks in our center, monthly or maybe bi-monthly or whatever possible. So we can discuss with our faculty the current environmental issues or whatever social issues pertaining to environment. So we should have a platform for the discussions and all. So this is because everyone knows that environment and society cannot be separated. We have to involve society in environment. So, and the next day is the major event of our school is Earth Day, and for that we'll ensure that everyone's active involvement should be there and everyone should do whatever best he or she can do, because it should not be like there should not be concentration of duties on particular people. Everybody should feel that they are part of the Earth Day. Like we have think of some activities like we can have street play societies, competitions. We can invite different schools which can perform and have an event for them regarding environmental awareness. And then what we see in MSc first year, that there is a problem in Viva because all the Vivas are conducted at the very same time at the end of the semester. So we want that in the mid-sem, whatever practicals have been taken place, the Viva should be held thereafter, and again in the mid-sem, thereafter. And then we have one course, current environmental issues in MSc first year. It is a non-credit course. Current environmental issues is a very important subject, but because it's non-credit, so neither the faculty nor the student take it very seriously. So we'll propose that it should be from non-credit, it should become credit course. And then for MSc second year, we have lab assignments and all. So we want that proper procedure should be followed. No student is humiliated for the assignments of lab. And we can involve more on the societal part by having awareness drives, campaigns and all. And there are women exclusive issues, so being one of them, I think I'll be better able to handle them. And then we need to maintain proper hygiene in our school by having proper clean washrooms, common room, library, clean classrooms and clean corridors every time. So, and some initiatives have already been taken by our ex-counselor, so we need to work upon them. We need to ensure that their efforts don't go waste and we should work upon them. And we should ensure that they are accomplished, like the canteen facility and the photocopy and all. name is greatest good for greatest number. Thank you.